If you are the owner of a traditional motorbike workshop and tired of wasting water and manpower to clean motorcycle, then this video is made for you. Across Asia, motorcycles are everywhere, from the buzzing street of Bangkok to the rural path of Vietnam and Philippines. But every day, millions of liters of water are wasted in traditional bike washes. Meanwhile, customers wait in line. The operators struggle with labor costs, inconsistent results, and low margin. Now imagine this. A sleek, compact machine wash a motorbike in just 3 to 5 minutes using minimal water, energy-efficient technology, and fully automatic control. No sweat, no cute, no compromise on cleanliness. Welcome to the Go&Go eco-friendly bike wash system, Asia's first smart solution for motorcycle cleaning that saves water, labor, and your bottom line. Go&Go isn't a generic machine. It's engineered specifically for the Asia market, optimized for two-wheeler from scooter to dirt bike. Eco-efficient, use as little as 70 liters of water per wash, 70% less than traditional method. Dual washing mode, urban wash 3 minutes per bike, muddy terrain wash 5 minutes per bike. Smart counter, tracks the number of bike washed daily for better business management. Whether your customer are daily commuter or rural rider, this system is ready to deliver consistent result every day. Let's talk business. Cost per wash only $0.2, including water, electricity, and eco-friendly chemical. Market price per wash around $1 depending on your city. Profit margin per bike up to 5 times. Break even in months, not years. Add-on like helmet cleaning, cafe service, or a detailing station can turn your location into a one-stop bike care hub. Go&Go also offer training and support, so you don't start alone. Whether you're starting small near a supermarket or expanding into a full-scale detailing center, this system scaled for you. Want to test the system? We invite you to our live demo at Go&Go factory in Ho Chi Minh City. See how it works, experience the speed, feel the potential. Delivery time just 35 to 45 days after contract signing. Power only 220 volt or 380 volt. No complicated installation. Location perfect for urban zone, market, school, or residential areas. This is your moment to bring an eco-smart, high-profit solution to your city. Why doing good for the environment and your wallet? Go&Go eco-friendly bike wash system. Fast, clean, profitable, sustainable. Be the leader in your market. Start your Go&Go journey today.